Welcome to this Easy Tech Fix It news channel, and we're going to talk about security of browser Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is now at version 83 today. We are Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. What that means is that there are some security fixes in the browser. It's very important. If you want to know the new features, you can go to the Windows and Computer channel where we do talk about those new features. So if you want to stay safe with Firefox as it's updated today, simply open your browser, go into the upper right corner, and in the hamburger menu, go down to Help and About Firefox. It will update you to 83. It contains several high priority fixes. Those high priority fixes means that it is easy for attackers to do an attack on the browser and actually get control of your computer. Not just the browser, but really the computer itself. Also, a lot of moderate fixes. Moderate is the intermediate level where it's not as easy to get to hack into it. Often you need to have direct access to it, but it is still better to fix just in case something happens. Remember that both can be used together. A high priority fix can be exploited, and once it's exploited and they have control, they can now actually use and exploit the moderate fixes because of the fact that they have control of the computer. So they don't necessarily have to be physically here, but they can actually be in the computer doing stuff. It's like being physically at the location. So Firefox 83, and even though the market share of Firefox is slowly going down, if you are using Mozilla Firefox, do check it out. There's also the JavaScript engine that has been updated, and it does contain some new security features that help you stay safe at the same time on your computer. So once again, to update and make sure that you stay safe, as your browser is one of the important aspects of security, upper right corner, and Help and About Firefox, and it will update to 83.0. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.